This video is going to be an opening of what is different for the brand new Phase 1 XT packaging versus the Phase 1 XF packaging. So I'm not going to go over all the things that are in the box. I'm going to go over all the things that are different in the box than a Phase 1 XF for the brand new Phase 1 XT. So as we open it up, you'll see that the standard 2 inserts, and there is the new product. You'll see completely new packaging inside, new Phase 1 XT. This is the Rodenstock HR32 along with an IQ4-150. Packaging is very important, that it goes in just a certain way and fits nice and tight. The new pieces that you'll see are, of course, XT body, HR lens, a mount that is specific for